So, ladies and gentlemen, if you want to come into pig farming and you are yet to construct your pig pen, I will advise you go for bigger rooms, especially for your sow. It assists. Yeah. Part of my own lapses, part of my own shortcomings is not having big rooms, and I converted my pond, my fish pond, into pig pen. So I had no idea of what it's supposed to look like, but along the way, while using the pig pen for pig farming, I realized that those rooms are too small. They are too small for my animals to thrive so well. Although we are trying our best, but I want to encourage you people that are just coming into pig farm. In case you see my video and you want to emulate my structure, I'm begging of you, don't do that. Rather, make sure your rooms are big. Yeah. Part of what I'm supposed to do in my sow room is a crib session where the piglets can eat without the interference of their mother, and I'm unable to do that because of how small the pigsty is. So if I'm to construct another pig pen, of course I've seen what works in the previous one, and of course the new one is going to be mightier, and a wonderful calculation will be put in place. So ladies and gentlemen, just a sneak peek of what I'm planning to have. The dimension of the new room is going to be around minimum of 10 feet by 8 feet minimum. It can be more than that, it can be smaller than that, but if eventually I'm not going to be using that big size, that means I'll be going for farrowing crate. I don't know if you have seen what we call farrowing crate. It's like what you're seeing, that's farrowing crate. And if you are having a lot of animals but you have just a limited amount of farmland to use, you can as well use a gestation crate. You can locally fabricate it. You can also do you can call on your weather to do demarcation for you. So just like this one you are seeing, that's a locally fabricated gestation pen. So they all work. The main aim of that is just to hold your animals, and I think that's the best for now, because those animals, they are they always want to discover things, whether it's going to harm you or not. They don't mind, they just want to discover. If your floor is not strong enough, they are going to dig it. If the wall is not strong enough, they will eat it up. So by the time you want to construct, make sure you factor that in place, and all the best. I wish you success.